Hi, I'm Laura Brown from Mommy and Me Milestones, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, using sign language in early intervention therapy to support children who are pre-verbal and minimally verbal. I refer to this strategy as baby sign because we are not truly teaching ASL. We are borrowing some of the vocabulary from ASL and using these signs as a system of symbolic gestures. Let's take a look at the research. So we know that early gesture use is highly correlated with vocabulary skills later in childhood. Now let's check out these studies. Signing and pairing speech input with gestures was actually found to facilitate spoken language. And this one is my favorite. Parents who use sign are more tuned in to nonverbal cues and more likely to engage in reciprocal interaction. They're also likely to feel more positive and less stressed. This is a huge deal for anyone doing parent coaching and family-based intervention. Baby sign is a form of AAC. AAC is a really great place to start in therapy for children who are not able to communicate with words. This is a chart that I like to share with any parents who are feeling hesitant about signing because it might inhibit spoken development, which we know is not true. So I wanted to share my favorite trick for using baby sign in therapy, and that is pairing baby sign with verbal routines. So you would choose a target word, ideally a highly functional word, and you create a verbal routine and put that word at the end of your phrase. And then you're going to use the baby sign to support the spoken word or maybe even to prompt the spoken word, depending on where you're at with your goals. So that would look like, I need help. I need, and maybe they would fill in that spoken word, or maybe if you stopped there, I need, they would do the sign for you to request for help. Another one would be time to eat. Or I want some more. I am telling you, this strategy is gold. It works great for children with apraxia, and I've had huge success with children with autism as well. And here are a few final tips. Remember that you need to model these signs a lot before the child is going to be able to use it on their own. I could talk to you all day about this topic, but I really just wanted to cover the highlights today. If you are interested in learning more, I have an ebook. It's called the Practical Baby Sign Handbook, and I go really in depth about how to choose vocabulary, how to make baby signs stick, how to go through a teaching sequence, how to support parents and support home carryover and use signs in daily routines. There are pictures and videos and tons of resources to make your early intervention therapy easier. I'm going to run a flash sale on this product just for Early Intervention Week. It will be $10 off until midnight tomorrow. Definitely reach out to me if you have any questions about this topic. I love talking about baby sign, and I would be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you for tuning in.